Greenland. Just the name evokes a sense of mystery and wonder, a place where nature reigns supreme and time seems to stand still. This massive island, the largest in the world that isn't a continent, is a land of dramatic contrasts, where icy landscapes meet rugged mountains and serene fjords. Imagine towering icebergs, ancient glaciers reflecting the sunlight, and vast expanses of pristine wilderness. It's a place where the natural world is both beautiful and formidable. Greenland's beauty is raw, powerful, and unlike anything you've ever experienced. It's a land that challenges you, yet rewards you with unparalleled sights and experiences. Travelers from all over the world are drawn to Greenland's untouched landscapes and unique culture. They come to experience the thrill of adventure and the tranquility of nature. The opportunity to witness the northern lights dancing across the Arctic sky is a dream for many. It's a mesmerizing display of nature's artistry that leaves a lasting impression. But Greenland is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a place that touches your soul, leaving you with a profound sense of awe and connection to the natural world. It's a destination that inspires and humbles. Are you ready for an adventure that will stay with you long after you've returned home? An adventure that will fill your heart with memories and your mind with stories to tell. Let's explore the wonders of Greenland together. From its icy landscapes to its vibrant culture, Greenland awaits you with open arms and endless possibilities.
Packing for a trip to Greenland is unlike packing for any other destination. The extreme and unpredictable weather conditions make it crucial to be well prepared. The key is to be prepared for anything, as the weather can change dramatically even within a single day. Layering is essential to adapt to these rapid changes. Start with a base layer of thermal underwear made from moisture-wicking materials like merino wool or synthetic fabrics. This base layer is your first line of defense against the cold. This will keep you warm and dry, even if you work up a sweat during outdoor activities. Staying dry is crucial to maintaining your body heat. Next, add an insulating layer like a fleece jacket or a down sweater for extra warmth. This layer traps heat close to your body. Finally, top it off with a waterproof and windproof outer shell to protect you from the elements. This outer layer shields you from wind, rain, and snow. Don't forget sturdy waterproof hiking boots. These are essential for keeping your feet dry and providing good traction. You'll be doing a lot of walking, and the terrain can be uneven. Good boots will help you navigate the rugged landscape safely. Pack a warm hat, gloves, and a scarf to protect your extremities from the cold. These accessories are vital for keeping your head, hands, and neck warm in freezing temperatures. Think layers. Greenland's weather is unpredictable. One minute you might be basking in sunshine, and the next, a cold wind could sweep in off the glaciers. Layering allows you to adjust your clothing throughout the day to stay comfortable. Start with thermal underwear as your base layer. Then add a fleece jacket or wool sweater for insulation. Finally, top it off with a waterproof and windproof outer shell. Don't forget warm socks, a hat, gloves, and a scarf. Pack for all types of weather, even if you're traveling during the summer months. Bring a swimsuit for soaking in natural hot springs, a sun hat for protection from the midnight sun, and sunglasses to shield your eyes from the glare off the ice and snow.
Greenland has a rich cultural heritage, and it's important to be respectful of local customs and traditions. Before you go, take some time to learn a few basic Greenlandic phrases. Even simple greetings like alu, hello, and kujanak, thank you, will be appreciated. When visiting Greenlandic communities, dress modestly and avoid wearing clothing with offensive slogans or images. Always ask for permission before taking photos of people, and be mindful of their privacy. It's customary to remove your shoes before entering someone's home. Embrace the opportunity to engage with locals and learn about their way of life. Greenlanders are known for their hospitality and warmth, and they're often happy to share their stories and traditions with visitors.
Section 5. Protecting Greenland's pristine environment. Greenland's pristine environment is one of its most precious assets. As a visitor, it's crucial to minimize your impact and leave no trace. Pack reusable water bottles and shopping bags to reduce waste. Dispose of your trash responsibly and participate in local recycling programs if available. Stay on marked trails when hiking or exploring the wilderness to avoid disturbing fragile vegetation. Be mindful of wildlife and observe animals from a safe distance. Never feed or approach wild animals, as this can be dangerous for both you and the animals. Support local businesses and tour operators that prioritize sustainable practices. Choose accommodations that use renewable energy sources and minimize their environmental footprint.
Section 6, Greenland's natural wonders beyond the icebergs. While Greenland's icebergs are undoubtedly spectacular, this incredible island offers so much more. Explore vast tundras teeming with Arctic wildlife. Hike through colorful valleys carpeted in wildflowers during the short but vibrant summer months. Discover hidden hot springs tucked away in breathtaking natural settings. Gaze upon the northern lights, dancing across the night sky. A truly awe-inspiring spectacle. Go kayaking or boating among icebergs, an experience that will take your breath away. Whale watching is another unforgettable experience in Greenland. Humpback whales, minke whales, and even the elusive narwhal can be spotted in Greenland's waters. Imagine the thrill of seeing these magnificent creatures up close in their natural habitat.
Section 7. Experiencing Greenlandic culture and history. Immerse yourself in Greenland's rich culture and history. Visit local museums and cultural centers to learn about the Inuit people, their traditions, and their way of life. Attend a traditional Greenlandic dance performance or music concert for a glimpse into the soul of Greenlandic culture. Explore ancient Inuit settlements and archaeological sites that offer a fascinating window into the past. Greenland's history is long and complex, shaped by both Inuit traditions and European influence. Visit local markets to purchase handcrafted souvenirs made by Greenlandic artisans. Support local businesses and communities by dining at restaurants that serve traditional Greenlandic cuisine. Sample local delicacies like swasat, matak, and dried fish.
Section 8. Adventure and activities in Greenland's great outdoors. Greenland is an adventurous paradise offering a playground of thrilling activities for outdoor enthusiasts. The vast, untouched landscapes provide endless opportunities for exploration and excitement. Go dog sledding across vast snowy landscapes, an exhilarating way to experience the Arctic wilderness. Hike through breathtaking valleys, climb towering mountains, and explore remote glaciers. Each activity offers a unique way to connect with Greenland's raw and rugged beauty. Try your hand at ice fishing, a traditional Greenlandic practice that offers a glimpse into the local culture and way of life. Go kayaking or boating amidst icebergs, a surreal and unforgettable experience. The sight of massive ice formations floating serenely in the water is truly mesmerizing. For the truly adventurous, there's always the option of a multi-day trekking expedition into the wilderness. These treks take you deep into Greenland's heart, where few have ventured before. No matter your fitness level or experience, there's an adventure in Greenland for you. From easy hikes to challenging climbs, the range of activities ensures everyone can find something to enjoy. Just remember to pack for all types of weather, as conditions can change rapidly. Stay on marked trails to ensure your safety, and always let someone know your itinerary before venturing out into the wilderness. This simple step can make a big difference in ensuring a safe and enjoyable adventure.
Section 9. Sustainable travel in Greenland. Tread lightly. As travelers, we have a responsibility to protect the destinations we visit. Embrace sustainable travel practices in Greenland to minimize your impact on this pristine environment. Choose eco-friendly accommodations that prioritize energy efficiency, waste reduction, and support for local communities. Pack reusable water bottles, shopping bags, and food containers to reduce waste. Dispose of your trash responsibly and participate in local recycling programs if available. Support local businesses and tour operators that adhere to sustainable practices. Respect wildlife and observe animals from a safe distance. Never feed or approach wild animals. Stay on marked trails when hiking or exploring the wilderness to avoid disturbing fragile vegetation.
Section 10. Embrace the adventure, plan your Greenlandic journey. Greenland beckons with its untouched beauty, rich culture, and thrilling adventures. Whether you dream of witnessing the northern lights, exploring ancient ice fjords, or immersing yourself in Inuit traditions, Greenland has something extraordinary to offer every traveler. Start planning your Greenlandic adventure today. Research the best time to visit based on your interests, whether it's witnessing the midnight sun in summer or experiencing the magic of the northern lights in winter. Book your flights and accommodations in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. Pack for all types of weather, Embrace sustainable travel practices and be prepared to be amazed by the raw beauty and wonder of Greenland. Section 11. Join our community of Greenland enthusiasts. Have we sparked your wanderlust? Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring travel content, and join our community of passionate explorers. Let's continue the conversation. Follow us on social media for daily doses of Greenlandic beauty, travel tips, and behind-the-scenes glimpses of our adventures. Together, let's celebrate the wonders of this extraordinary island and inspire others to experience the magic of Greenland. Don't just dream about it, make it happen. Start planning your Greenlandic adventure today.